Let's talk about our hands. There is something magical when you make and create stuff with your hands. Made By is a jewelry experience workshop, all about making your own jewelry. Hey guys, it's me, Ursula. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I review local brands here in South Africa. Made By are these awesome workshop experiences hosted by my sister, very talented jewelry designer, Henriette Botha. Yes, I'm biased, it involves my sister, but I also do know that these are the best workshops in town when it comes to the jewelry. What is Made By all about? Why do you want to do it? How do you do it? Let's get stuck into it. So there's always the part of you making your own jewelry plus an experience. For the latest workshop that I attended, I went for the ring making workshop, and that was attached with a granola making workshop with the Grainery. If you don't know who the Grainery is, I will put a link below for another video review I did of the Grainery. The experiences are all different. There was a rum and ring workshop, and there's like champers workshops and like all different types of experiences. I just obviously like the very healthy one. Two different workshops. There is either the ring making workshop. This is the first ring I ever made. Look how talented I am. And then there's the pendant making workshop. I made these proudly. So you're thinking, how does that work? When you go to the workshop, you will receive your special jeweler's wax. It's this blue wax. And then you'll get a little station with all your tools and everything you need. And step 2 is just get creative and make your ring. I would advise you to have pictures from a mood board. Henriette Botha, the amazing jewelry designer, is also there helping you if you get lost or anything. Like she explains you through the whole process. She has examples of other rings you can use. She sends you a mood board of ring inspiration before you go. So that really helps. At the end of the day, you're the one making it. Then when you're done, this blue wax is put into a little container thingy and sent off to the casters, and they cast it. This one was cast in silver. This pendant is brass. My next ring that I made is going to be cast in brass, and I'm going to get a stone set in mine. The technique of the wax, because I know you're thinking like this blue wax thing is weird, because I also thought so. It's called lost wax casting. The moment it gets cast, it's not like the wax lives in this ring. The wax does not live in here. The wax melts away. This is how I understand it. So that's why it's called lost wax, because the wax is lost. For the purpose of this workshop, it is one of the many methods one can use to make jewelry. It's very therapeutic making things with the hands. Step out of your comfort zone and meet a whole bunch of new people, or you can take a friend and the both of you can go and meet a whole bunch of new people. For the extra experience part, we made our own granola jars with the Grainery. So there were 2 different granola bases that we could choose from. The one was like a chocolatey one, the other one was tropical, and then we could add all the different things. Twyla also gave us like measurements. We got the ratio right between like the nuts and the dried fruit. Next part about the experience is that Twyla from the Grainery catered for us. She made the best hummus ever, because that's the name of the recipe. It's called the best hummus ever. It was fresh, uplifting food. People were drinking bubbles. I was drinking tea and tea and tea. Made our granola jars, and then we made our rings. So I wish I could show you now already how it's gonna look. You'll just have to keep an eye on Instagram, because I will post once I get the ring, once it's cast. I think jewelry is very personal, and I love that about these workshops, is that now it's even more personal, because you can exactly say what type of jewelry you want to wear and also be the one making that jewelry.